Are you tired of the slow chargers for your devices in today's fast moving tech world? I have a product I want to share with you, but quick disclaimer, I received it free to review. Let's see what's inside the box. This is what you get. Two wall chargers that use USB-C, two cables that are 6 feet long, connecting USB-C to USB-C. The 6 feet length of the cable makes it easy to use for charging in various places like home, office, during travel, hotel rooms, and more without getting tangled and having enough length. The charger provides a power delivery at 20 watts, much faster than regular USB chargers. And these chargers are compatible with various Apple devices, including iPhone 15, 15 Plus, 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, iPad Pro, iPad Air, MacBook Air, MacBook, and as well as Google Pixel, Samsung Galaxy, LG, and more. And as you can see, it fits my Samsung phone as well.